5 superfood for pregnant women. What a joy it is to have a life growing inside you. The joy of becoming a mother is one every woman should consider. What you take into your body will directly affect the development and health of the baby, and you, during this period, be careful of what you eat. Weight gain is of concern too during pregnancy. Though it is normal, it is advisable to be careful of your intake so you gain weight in a healthy way for the sake of your baby and you. Now let's talk about the 5 superfoods you need to eat during pregnancy. 1. Salmon, a very good source of omega-3 fatty acid, which is actively needed in brain development of a baby. Also vital in development of good eyesight. At most 12 ounces of salmon or any type of fish is required in a week to avoid the risks of mercury and other contaminants that may be found in fatty food. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are a vital source of protein and lots of vitamin and mineral types which help in the development of the baby's spinal cord. Number 3. Sweet potato. Potatoes are a very good source of beta-carotene, which is a plant compound converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essentially needed during pregnancy for healthy fetal development. Number 4. Beans. Beans are essential in relieving of the most common pregnancy discomfort, such as constipation and hemorrhage. It is also a rich source of folic acid, magnesium, and potassium. All are needed during pregnancy. Number 5. Leafy green and fruits. Leafy green such as spinach and fruits are very important food needed during the first 3 months of the pregnancy. They also contain essential vitamins and nutrients that you need during pregnancy period, such include vitamin A, C.